Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Jaguar XE 2-liter Portfolio Auto, finished in elegant Yulong White with a refined black leather interior. At the side, it sits on stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, with clean body lines and subtle chrome accents that enhance its premium look. Electric folding mirrors and a smart silhouette round out the XE's classy exterior. At the rear, the design stays clean and refined, with slim LED tail lights, rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera to make every maneuver smooth and simple. Powered by a responsive and efficient 2-liter diesel engine, the XE delivers strong performance while remaining economical. Paired with a smooth automatic gearbox and cruise control, it's comfortable and capable on long drives or city routes. At the front, the XE features a sleek grille, signature Jaguar headlights, and a low, athletic stance that gives it a sporty, executive presence. Stepping inside, the black leather interior is both luxurious and well-appointed. You get 10-way electric front seats with driver memory, heated front seats, and a heated windscreen. Ideal for all-season driving. Everything feels premium, with attention to detail throughout. In terms of tech, the XE is equipped with a Meridian sound system, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a clear, user-friendly infotainment screen. In the back, the rear seats provide excellent comfort and enough space for passengers, making it a practical choice for business or leisure. In the boot, there's a well-shaped luggage area with ample room for shopping, bags, or weekend travel. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration OY65GZP to book a test drive or request a personalized video tour.